Find the f inverse of f of 1, if f of x equals x plus 1, all divided by x plus 5. Inverse function method, basic arithmetic and algebraic processes are used to solve this question. Solution. Let the inverse of f of x be y, that is, y equals x plus 1, all divided by x plus 5. Cross multiply and we have that the product of y and in bracket x plus 5 equals x times y plus 5 times y, which equals x plus 1. Combine like terms and simplify, so that x times y minus x equals 1 minus 5 times y. Factorize, it implies that x times, in bracket, y minus 1 equals 1 minus 5 times y. Divide out by y minus 1. Hence, x equals 1 minus 5 times y, all divided by y minus 1. Interchange x and y. Therefore, f inverse of x equals 1 minus 5 times x, all divided by x minus 1. It follows that f of 1 equals 1 plus 1, all divided by 1 plus 5, which equals 1 divided by 3. After simplification. Hence, f inverse of f of 1 equals 1 minus 5 times 1 divided by 3, all divided by 1 over 3 minus 1, which equals to 1, after simplification. Therefore, f inverse of f of 1 equals to 1.